short shifters installed. Measure how long we need the damn drive shaft. This gotta be chopped. I have no idea what I'm doing.
What was it?
Don't you dare catch my car on fire. Welding this transmission tunnel. Sizzling. A lot of the welding finished. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, guys? So we are back at City Performance for episode 10 of building a manual Hellcat charger. Right now it is extremely hot outside. Look at this. 103 degrees right now. It's toasty, so I think we're gonna be working a little slow today, but we're gonna continue welding this transmission tunnel. Let me show you. So yesterday we started working on this thing, tack welded and kind of just, you know, did a little spot welding, sanded it all down, started to kind of, you know, finesse it into one piece. Today we're gonna keep hammering, massaging, flatten this out, actually try and lay some dimes down. So we're gonna be focusing on fabricating and welding the transmission tunnel today. Let's get to it. This is what's going on at the shop today. Danny back at it again with the alignments, knocking them out. Cisco over here sweating. Like I said, it's 103 degrees outside right now. Let's add some fire to it and bring the temperature right up. Let me see. We got a boo-boo yesterday. Threw my Gatorade in the freezer. That's the best. Hot day. A little slurpy, slushy Gatorade thing. Fire. Before we get started on the Drift Cat, let me show you guys an update on the Turbo Marrow. I was driving home the other day and all I hear is and I feel run over something. I look in one of the mirrors and the damn grill fell off. Here's a little clip from when I got home from that. The damn grill fell off and got ran over. Bro. So that's the update on the Turbo Marrow. If anyone has a grill, let me know. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to rewrap it or patch it or something. Anyway, moving on. Danny. 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 Danny.
Danny.
Danny. Danny.
Danny.
Danny. Danny. We need you, Danny.
Danny.
You're really good at welding. We need you.
It's too hot, so I don't want to get you. Danny.
Danny.
I quit. I quit.
I quit. Danny's coming prepared so he doesn't get burned like Cisco did yesterday. Little Lexus thing. Sounds good. Sounds healthy. These things are hella fun. Alright, bro, just let me know about a actual drift event at that abandoned airstrip over where we used to go in Mexico. It's actually a legal event now, so I might have to pull up out there. Looking in here. Came up here inside to see what's going on. Obviously it's welding, but it's getting a little hot in here. That carpet's kind of catching on fire a little bit. You hear the towel sizzling? Let's try and cover it up. Oh, this thing dripping. If it's gonna save the car, it's gonna save the car. All right, go ahead, Danny. Keeping it in. Oh. That's what we need to plug right there. We need one more. Don't want it to catch this damn carpet on fire. That would be bad. Tuck that one right there in that damn hole. All right, go ahead, Danny. Should be good. update on the tunnel. As you saw, we got those rags up top, so stopping any potential fires. Getting that thing all welded in there though. Let's get a quick close up on her. Sealing her up. Sizzling. Watching. No flash. It's like a nightclub underneath the car. I'm gonna pour a little water on these towels, Danny.
What?
I said I'm gonna pour a little bit of water.
Okay.
Looks like they're getting hot.
What?
Making sure these things don't catch on fire. Getting that thing all welded together, then it'll be grinded, sanded, and then welded again. Probably gonna put a little primer over it. Make sure it doesn't rust or anything like that, but it's getting sealed up, man. Just went back up top and re-wetted those towels up there. Danny's still going crazy, welding the entire transmission tunnel. We got Cook pulled up.
Huh?
Sheesh! Them things shiny, man.
Old school Ralph Simmons.
Throwing the center console back in. Got the new carpet in here. Waiting on tires, and then this thing is good to go. There was that center console's in there. This thing is pretty much done. Off to paint. So obviously he's down there grinding all the welds, making them look pretty and stuff. But I'm on fire duty, making sure this thing doesn't catch. I got water up here ready to go. Fire extinguisher in the back. Before I head down, let's take a peek. I know this is gonna be really, really hot still, but as you can see, got that top bracket pretty much all mounted on there, both sides. Nice. Now let's go check out what it looks like underneath. All right, so Danny was welding for probably 2 hours, at least a solid hour. Got all the sides welded up on both sides. And obviously these aren't the prettiest welds, but he's still got a lot of work. You know, he's gonna grind them down, weld them, grind them down. For the most part, got a lot of the welding done. Gonna have to fab up some of that front right here, finish sealing it up, but as you guys can see, it's a lot of the welding finished. You can see on this side where he started to grind it, started to make it smooth, but that plate is permanently in there. No turning back now. Hey, let's see, Cook. We can do a walkthrough.
Let's do a walkthrough. Hold on, hold on.
Wow. All the lights on, new carpet,
Okay.
freshly painted center console.
Dash bezel.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
New steering wheel.
Sheesh. Looks brand new in there now.
Yeah.
So he didn't do just the motor and suspension and drivetrain, did interior too. Next thing, body shop.
Body shop next.
The 65 Mustang is pretty much
Give me
finished.
some ties.
Yeah, for real. We're in the same boat. And it is extremely hot. Like I was saying in the beginning of the video, it's still like 100 degrees and it's almost 8 o'clock outside. So we're gonna call it a night. Cisco's ordering them right now, but we need the little grinder discs to be able to grind the welds, you know, make them clean and be able to go back over them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching episode 10. Make sure you stay tuned for episode 11, and hopefully we'll be able to finish this transmission tunnel up in the next episode. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting. If you like to go the extra mile and support even more, head over to helloclothing.com, grab you some merch, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Doses.